Hello, my dear students and friends. Today I have prepared a science quiz which is based on class 10th syllabus to make the science learning easy and fun. So let us go through this science quiz. With this science quiz, you can check your science question and make the science learning a fun. The first question is the reactions in which heat is evolved along with the reaction are called, and the options are combination reaction, redox reaction, endothermic reaction, exothermic reactions. The correct answer is D, exothermic reactions. Second question is a solution turns red litmus to blue. Its pH might be, and the option is A 1, B 4, C 5, and D 10. The correct answer is D 10. The pH turns red to blue at basic pH, and the basic pH is option D 10. So D is the correct answer. Question 3. Which medicines are used to treat acidity? Options are A. Antibiotic, B. Analgesics, C. Antacids, and D. Antiseptics. The correct answer is C. Antacids. Question number 4. Which metal is least reactive? A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Potassium, and D. Sodium. And the answer is A. Gold. Gold is the least reactive metal found in nature, so it is found in native state or free state, whereas the potassium is the most reactive metal. Question number 5. Which element shows the property of catenation? Options are A. Bromine, B. Carbon, C. Argon, D. Iron. And the correct answer is B. Catenation. Catenation is the property of carbon atoms to form bond with other carbon atoms and form long chains. It is because of this property carbon has large number of compounds. Question number 6. The main component of natural gas is A. Propane, B. Butane, C. Methane, and D. Pentane. And the correct answer is C. Methane, CH4. Methane is also the main constituent in biogas. Question number 7. Periodic table is based on which rule? Answer. The options are atomic number, B. Atomic mass, C. Atomicity, D. Octet rule. And the answer is atomic number. The modern periodic table is based on atomic numbers. This is also called the modern periodic law. Question number 8. Which tissues are responsible for transport of water in plants? And the options are phloem, B. Meristematic tissue, C. Xylem, and D. Cambium. Answer is C. Xylem. Question number 9. Main excretory organ in humans are skin, sweat gland, nephridia, kidneys. And the answer is D. Kidneys are the main excretory organs of human beings. Question number 10. Who is known as father of genetics? Options are Aristotle, B. Theophrastus, C. Charles Darwin, and D. G. J. Mendel. And the correct answer is D. G. J. Mendel. John Gregor Mendel. He is known as the father of genetics. Whereas Aristotle A. He is known as father of biology. B. Theophrastus, known as father of botany. Charles Darwin, he has given the theory of natural selection. So friends, thank you. With this quiz you can check your science question, and by this ways you can make your science learning a fun. Thank you.